Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video. Today we're going to get into this braided boho bob. Big thank you to YWigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into this look. So I have this gorgeous human bulk hair. This is deep wave bulk hair. I also have some 18-inch pre-stretched synthetic braiding hair. I love this braiding rack because it saves me so much time. So I did cheat, y'all. Off camera, I did start without you. No, I started because I wasn't sure of like the size and the length. I've never done a boho braided bob, so I wanted to try some before I got on camera and actually did it with you. So I did a few. Originally, I was going to go the knotless route. But then as I started doing it and I was doing the knotless route, it was just, I realized how much time that was going to take and how annoying adding the hair in is with these nails. I honestly just prefer to braid with super short nails or no nails at all. So I started off doing knotless on the first few braids. Then moving forward, I just started to use the knot method because it's quicker for me and that's what I did. But I sectioned my hair. I wanted to go for like medium. I did not use the brick parting method. I'll try to insert a picture here. I really do love this method. But I also noticed that when braiding my hair on camera, I rather start in the front of my hair. For years on years, whenever I've braided my hair, I've started in the back. And if you're just braiding your hair yourself, I suggest starting in the back too. But for tutorial purposes and video purposes, we started in the front. And I decided to part as I go this time. So we did a few things different from my last braiding video. So as I'm parting, I add in my hair and then I start to add in the human hair deep wave pieces. Now I wanted this boho bob to be really full, so I decided to use at least 4 to 5 pieces on each braid. So what I like to do when adding the hair in is I take a little bit of that braid gel, love that stuff, and I put it on the blunt end of the bulk hair, the part where it's cut blunt, and that helps separate it for me, and I comb that through. So then when I separate the hair to add it in, it has that product on there, which helps keep the hair in the braid and gives me less flyaways. Although I do cut the flyaways off, it helps. So once again, I'm going to show you exactly how I add the hair in because I know some people had a few questions with that, and I hope that I can explain that so that it's clear and concise for you guys. But at the end of my braid, I do add some nail glue. Of course, I made sure that I was past where my natural hair ends because we're not trying to nail glue our natural hair. But I did use nail glue to secure the ends of this braid. One thing about this length hair is it was perfect for the boho bob because I did not want to have to use long hair and then cut all that hair. That's like such a waste. So the beauty supply that I went to, they actually had 18 inches and you can order that on Amazon as well if you can't get to a beauty supply. If your hair is a little longer, of course, you're going to have to go a little longer. And even if your hair is shorter, I feel like this length is perfect. But that's what we're looking like. And I said 4 to 5 pieces of human hair and I am happy with that. So let's get into this braid detail for detail. So here I'm just going to part the hair and then start to part off my box for my next braid. So I do add braid gel to smooth out that hair so that the part is nice and crispy and clean. Now I'm adding my synthetic braiding hair and I'm going to braid that in. I go about 1 inch down, so I braid about 1 inch down with that synthetic braiding hair, and then after 1 inch I start to add in my boho human hair pieces because I want this to be full and I want it to start from the top. So I place the blunt end down facing downward and I braid it into the braid. This is where the duck clips or the sectioning clips come in handy because you do want to clip that hair out the way. So once again, I braid down another inch, add that human hair piece in with the bulk end facing downward, and I braid it into the braid. And I'm just going to repeat this, like go braid down at least 1 inch, 2 inches, whatever you prefer, and you add in your human hair pieces. And I like to braid it downward because I get more of a seamless braid, and that worked perfect for me. So I'm just going to continue to do this throughout the entire head. I do show you quite a few braids on camera, and then we will jump cut to the other side of my head, and then we'll come back. I will see you guys later in the video. All right, so we're back towards the end, and yes, this is it. Finally, we're gonna do these perm rods. So I've had these for a while, and they definitely came in clutch because this is like the perfect size. So I could have rodded these better in a different motion to get a better spiral curl, but to be honest, you guys, this bob took me longer than I thought. So once again, I was super tired at the end of this. Like, listen, the girls that braid, let them charge whatever they want to charge. This is a lot of manual labor. My hands the next day felt crazy. So yes, that is a teacup that I use to dip my braid. No one is drinking out of this teacup. This is not that anymore. This is used for hair, okay? But I did boil some hot water, and then I'm dipping the ends of the hair into the hot water. I was careful though. I kept the boho, like the human hair pieces, out of the hot water because I don't like how hot water changes the pattern of the human hair. So try to keep your human hair out of boiling hot water, especially if you have curly human hair pieces. Don't do it, sis, because you'll be mad. So I dipped that, and although I just showed you this section here, I did this to the entire head, and I love, love, love the look of this once it was all done. So once I take everything down, I love it. Super full and pretty. I did go with the side part. That's exactly what I wanted. Swoop-de-dooped in the baby hairs and adding some Lotta Body mousse. And I'm going to show you the finished look. And yes, baby, this is her. First time doing a braided boho bob. Absolutely love it. I will definitely do this again. I don't think I would like this style in like the super small braids, like kind of how I did the ginger color. I think for like the boho bob, medium small or medium is perfect. So big thank you to YWigs for sending over this gorgeous hair. They have just about every texture, bulk hair you can imagine and colors. I can't wait to get into like some blonde boho braided looks because yeah, but all the links will be down in the description box. Please check out some of my other boho braided crochet videos. I will have some of them linked at the end of this video. And don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you want to see more looks. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.